Meme coin trading is a war, and speed is your weapon. If you're even a second late, you're already losing. But today, I'm showing you a tool that gives you the fastest trigger in the game, NovaClick. Nova is already one of the fastest meme coin trading bots out there, but they just dropped something game-changing, NovaClick. This Chrome extension lets you buy meme coins instantly with the fastest speed and lowest fees, straight from any trading platform like GMGN, FullX, Photon, even X, and Discord. NovaClick is about to change the way you trade. It's fast, seamless, and gives you a serious edge. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. First, connect your Telegram to Nova. Just click the link in the description to get started. You can either create a new wallet or import one from any trading bot you're already using. Nova comes with tons of customization options. If you want the best settings for slippage, fees, and more, check out my other video where I break it all down for you. Hold up, NovaClick takes things even further. I teased it earlier, but now let me show you exactly how it works. Once Nova is connected to your Telegram, select NovaClick from the main menu. This will give you the download link for the extension. Once it's installed, open your favorite trading platform, click the Nova extension, and enable it. And we're in. Nova will now run seamlessly in the background. You can adjust the presets to fit your needs. And with the quick buy feature, you can jump into a position instantly, thanks to Nova's insane speed. For migrating coins, you can easily set a sniper order right from the Pump Vision page or the coins chart itself. And yep, all of those settings are fully customizable. And don't forget about Nova Panel. This is a standalone box that you can move around on your screen, giving you instant one-click buys based on your presets, giving you even more ways to speed up your trading. But wait, there's more. With the extension activated, anytime a contract address is listed in X or Discord, you'll see a quick buy link next to the contract, letting you buy it instantly. So when a big name tweets a contract address, you can have your order in instantly and grab the best entry possible. This is a game changer because, as you know, in meme coin trading, seconds can make or break your profits. Nova is constantly updating and improving, with even more innovations coming your way. If you want to use Nova, you'll need an access code. No worries, we've got you covered. Use the Solana Memecoins to get in. And by the way, only 1% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button to stay updated.